some people may be wondering why I chose to speak on a day like October 7th. And some senators, I think, rightly had some second thoughts about why I was choosing to make this very difficult speech on a day that's sensitive to many Jewish people and Israelis in particular. And the reason is because I wanted to express my horror at what happened on October 7th, my sympathy for all the victims of October 7th, and to say that what happened on October 7th and every day after is precisely why we need to remember the Holocaust and what the Holocaust demands of us. And what it demands of us, Noam, is that we never again, as the phrase goes, never again, never again, never again allow a genocide to take place. It is precisely that I have the deepest reverence for international Holocaust remembrance, that we have to talk about the aftermath of October 7th and face up to the fact that we in Canada allowed again what we said to be never again.